Yes guys, I'm going to show you how I do file steamed fish. Yeah, putting the vegetables inside the fish. First, I butter the file. I'm stuffing the fish now with my vegetables, callaloo and cabbage. It's half steamed already. Yeah, I'm putting up some vegetables and some butter on top of it. Actually, I'm using the margarine butter, the stick one, but you can use any butter of your choice. That's what I have at home, so I use it. You can use your butter that you want to use. Yeah, so yeah, see how beautiful my vegetable look, guys. Yeah, cock soup in it and all that. Yes, guys, see how beautiful my fish looks, and I know it's gonna taste nice also. Yeah, those are the other fishes that I have left to do. Yeah, I only did 4 fishes. Yeah, that's one that I wrap already, and I have that one to wrap, and I have 2 more leave in the bag. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I wrap it now, guys. Look, I start wrapping it from the head, or yeah, start wrap it from the head, then fold it, and then wrap up the tail part. And you have to wrap it with 2 pieces of files, because maybe all 3, because sometimes the liquid that's in the vegetable will drain right out back, and you don't want your fish to taste murky when it comes out. You want every juice, every substance to stay in your fish. So all you have to do is just wrap it properly with the file to keep all the moist inside of the fish, so your fish can turn out well. Yes, guys, there's another fish. I'm gonna show you now how I do it. See how I rub the butter on it, guys? Yeah, rub the butter all over the file so the fish won't stick to the file. Then I lay my fish on it. Then I couldn't see well over there, guys, so I decided to go on the table. It's a bit low, but I guess you guys will get a better view of what I'm doing when I'm doing it on the table. See, I'm stuffing the fish, the other fish again. Yeah, yeah. You don't have to put any vegetable on top of it, guys, or any butter. You don't have to, but that's how I love it. I think it's more enticing that way. So I do mine like this. You can only put the vegetables inside the fish. You can also put a piece of butter inside the fish if you want to. You don't have to put any butter on it. It's just of your choice. So I'm gonna fold it again in another file, because I don't want my juice to run out. I want my fish to stay yummy, moist. So I wrap it with 2 pieces of files. You can even wrap it with 3 pieces of files, but I didn't. Yeah, rubbing the butter on it again. I think I'm on my last fish now, guys. Yeah, see me how me a mice up that one with the butter, guys. When that butter melt in that fish there, you know. When the margarine melt into that fish, you know, guys. And then nice steamed vegetable callaloo and cabbage here. You can use only cabbage if you want, guys. Or you can use only the callaloo if you want. Yeah. But I do a mixture just to get more flavor. Yeah. And I use cock soup in mine so it can give more flavor. But you don't have to use it in there. You can use other spices to spice up your fish. But I think the cock soup works well with it. Yeah, see me fish them in a me pot pan, me wood fire there, guys. Yeah, me wood fire outside in a me pot. So this is how you do your steam fish in pot. Yeah, works out just the way when you do it on the grill, or most people do it on a tray. But I don't have any tray, guys, so I do it in my pot. And it works out very well. Works out very well, guys. Yeah. Bubble. Yeah. I'm going to show you now, guys, how beautiful my fish turns out. I'm just unwrapping it, guys. Yeah. Unwrapping my fish. I can't wait to see the outcome. Oh my God. Can't wait to see the outcome. I'm unwrapping and I'm wrapping. I'm wrapping. Oh my God, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. See how easy my fish come off of the file, guys. If you never rub the butter on it, guys, if stick on the file paper, but because I'm well butter mine, it just slide right off. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh.